Puerto Vallarta Airport transportation options. Practical breakdown of typical cost ranges and step-by-step instructions for each transportation option when you land at Puerto Vallarta International Airport and need to get to your hotel or destination. 1. Official airport taxis. Typical cost, 250 to 350 pesos or $12 to $18 for Central Puerto Vallarta Romantic Zone. May vary slightly by zone. How to find and use. 1. After collecting luggage and clearing arrivals, follow signs to the official taxi counter inside the terminal. 2. Pay the fare at the booth and get a ticket for your ride. 3. Walk outside to the designated taxi line where staff will direct you to your vehicle. 4. Show the driver your ticket, load luggage, and go. Pros. Direct service, no mobile app needed. Cons. More expensive than rideshare or bus. 2. Rideshare, Uber, InDrive, Didi. Typical cost, 170 to 300 pesos or $8 to $15 depending on time, demand, and vehicle type. How to find and use. 1. Exit the terminal and head toward the front drive area. 2. Cross the pedestrian bridge over the main road and walk 2-3 minutes to where drivers commonly congregate. 3. Open the app, Uber, InDrive, or Didi, and request your ride, choosing pickup point near the bridge, parking area. 4. The driver will arrive where you and the pickup point meet. Pros. Often cheaper. App shows estimated fare. Cons. Now can pick up inside airport terminal but easier to the short walk. 3. Shared shuttle services. Typical cost, 150 to 250 pesos per person or $7 to $13. How to find and use. 1. Pre-book your shuttle online before travel. Companies display meeting point details. 2. After you land, follow the instructions in your booking confirmation to reach the shuttle bus's pickup area, often right outside the arrivals. 3. Meet the van, load luggage, and ride to your hotel. The shuttle may stop at several properties along the route. If you are a light baggage or backpack traveler, using the bus to going to Nuevo Nayarit, Bucerias, La Cruz de Juanacaxtli, and Punta Mita, use the ATM bus line outside the bus terminal, cross the pedestrian bridge over the main road. If you're going to Sayulita, San Pancho, Loda Marcos, Rincon de Guayabitos, use T. Compostela bus line at the same place, cross the pedestrian bridge over the main road, and at the bottom of the ramp. Look for the Guayabitos sign on the bus. Pros. Cheaper than a private taxi, reliable. Cons. Travel time may be longer due to stops. 4. Local bus. Typical cost, 10 pesos or $8 $1.80. How to find and use. 1. Exit the terminal and head toward the main road, Highway 200, just outside. 2. Look for Unibus/local bus stops marked with route signs towards Centro. 3. 10 pesos as you board. Exact fare appreciated. 4. Ride to downtown or other local stops. Be prepared to walk or take a short taxi from the stop to your final destination. Pros. Lowest cost. Cons. Luggage can be awkward, not ideal for heavy bags or first-time visitors. 5. Rental cars. Typical cost, 600 to 1200 pesos per day or $30 to $60 USD plus depending on vehicle and season. How to find and use. 1. Proceed to the car rental desks inside arrivals, major companies like Hertz, Avis, etc. 2. Complete paperwork, pay rental fees, and collect your vehicle. 3. Follow signage to exit the airport and join the local road network. Pros. Full flexibility to explore region. Cons. Extra insurance costs, parking, and driving in local traffic. We provide information and resources for visitors to Puerto Vallarta, areas of the Riviera Nayarit, and other destinations in both states of Jalisco and Nayarit. You will find variety of content, including articles, blog posts, videos, photos, descriptions, and interviews, all of which are designed to help visitors plan their trip, including attractions, restaurants, and events. Follow promovisionpv.com